up, everybody? Hope you're doing well out there today. Another beautiful sunny day, man. Just got off work. It's Monday. Gotta keep the momentum going. Well, I mean, started, I should say. Just start the momentum on a Monday so that you can cruise through the week. You know what I'm saying? So that's where I'm at, trying to get the momentum going today. It was hard, man. Mondays are always hard. But I think we can all agree on that. Something we can all agree, Mondays are not the greatest because getting that momentum started is a bitch. It can be hard. Which is kind of what I wanted to talk a little bit about today. Heading to the gym, gonna do chest. It's Monday, so you try not to do chest on Mondays because it's the whole gym trying to do chest with me and everybody's competing for a bench, and it's just not fun. But we're gonna do it because I have to. Chest and triceps today. But anyways, yeah, getting the momentum started, it's hard, but while you're in motion, it's easy. I think that goes to, you know, that's you can kind of apply that logic to pretty much everything in life. Going to school, hey man, what are you doing? Oh my God. Anyways, a great example of how bad drivers are in the greater Seattle area. But anyways, no shade, do what you gotta do. Sometimes you fuck up in life, and that's okay. Like trying to take a left-hand turn while you're not in the turn lane. And that's okay, like I said, that's okay. Anyways, and then this happens. Okay. So, where was I? Getting the momentum started is the hardest part, I think, in life. I remember being in college, and I was not great at college, all right? I was really smart in high school. I like almost graduated with like a 4.0, very smart, but I applied myself. As soon as I got to college, I partied a ton, didn't take advantage of the opportunities, and I would skip class, all right? I was a frequent skipper, which if you're in college right now and you're doing that, get your shit together, man. Go to class, you know, it's easy. It's so easy. If I look back sometimes and I'm like, what was I doing? But that's besides the point. I'm getting on a tangent there. I skipped class a lot, and what was the hardest part for me was going back to class after I skipped a ton. Like, sometimes I'd skip, like, honestly, like 2 or 3 weeks in a row. And I would be embarrassed, kind of be ashamed of myself. And I just, like, wouldn't... It would be hard for me to get back into the flow of things and get up that hill and go to class. And that's just, you know, going from not being in motion to accelerating and getting in motion and getting into the swing of things. Building that momentum is the hardest part. And really everything we do. Once you're going and you're moving, it's just so easy. You just gotta keep doing what you're doing. So much easier to keep doing what you're doing, as opposed to like starting something new and trying to see what works and getting comfortable with it and whatnot. But anyways, you know, I could have sat at home after work today, scrolled on my phone, doom scrolling, and just rotting away, thinking about going to the gym and contemplating and blah blah blah. It's like, no, just grab the keys, get in the car, drive. Once you're driving and you're going, it's like you're gonna make it. You're gonna go to the gym. Everything's gonna be all right. You're gonna get through it. But that's that momentum. So on this Monday, you know what I'm saying? Build that momentum. Get that momentum going, so that Tuesday's a little bit easier, and then Wednesday's even easier than that. And before you know it, damn, that dude's up there cleaning windows. But anyways, before you know it, it's almost the weekend, and then it's finally the weekend, and you can relax for a little bit, kick back, and just, you know, do things you actually enjoy doing. But yeah, I don't know, my thoughts, man, just on this Monday. I think it's every Monday, start of a new week, start of a new, you got 52 weeks a year. You never know which one is gonna bring you greatness, or which one's gonna bring you, you know, new opportunity, positive experiences, all that, you know. So start the week strong, get out there, bite the bullet, get the shit going, just keep it moving, and make it a good week. You know, that's what I'm trying to do. So I had a decent day at work. I was kind of sleepy in the morning, had to go get coffee, a little recharge, and then I was back to it. And then here we are at the gym, about to hit chest with 50 other people doing the same thing. But that's okay. Sometimes you gotta, you know, go to a public gym and share the weights with everybody. And make the most of your situation. So, but anyways, moral of the story today, man. Momentum is a great thing, but it's kind of a bitch to get started and get it going. But you got to. You got to do it. It's like Warren Buffett once said, your first 100K is a bitch, but everything after that's way easier. But your first 100K is a bitch. And he said, I think, I don't care what you have to do, but you got to do it. So, you know, I don't care what you got to do, you got to do it. Everybody's got to do it. If you're in school right now, go to class, do your homework, turn in your assignments, practice, read your books, do well in your exams, and you do well in the class. You know, simple as that. Same thing for high school, I guess. High school is a little bit easier, but same thing for everything, man. Start going in the gym, getting a good meal plan going. The person over there parked like shit. Sorry, it's a pet peeve of mine. Anyways, job hunting, dude. Everything, anything. Just do what you gotta do. Get the ball rolling, and momentum builds. So that's what we're focused on today. And you just focus on it, you know? Just focus on building that momentum. It makes it easier. Just do it. Just take the steps. Do it. Anyways. Pop out and take a quick peek. I notice I have this weird little dent, like right around here. You can't see it like in person, but I can see it after I edit my videos, which is really fucking annoying, but we'll get that addressed eventually. If you can't see it in person, does it really exist? I don't think so. But anyways, go get this workout in. And like I said, Monday, chest day. Terrible day to do chest in a public gym, but we're gonna do it. And the start of my split kicked off this week, so that's all from me. That's all from me. I want to say a quick thank you for 700 subscribers. That's crazy. Got there way faster than I ever thought. So, all thanks to you and your support, and your comments, and your likes, and yeah, just very grateful. I feel like I was just giving this message for 500 subscribers like not that long ago, which is awesome. So anyways, I'm gonna keep pushing, keep moving forward, and reaching for new heights. But until I get there, I just want to say thank you, and I appreciate y'all. So without further ado, 24-hour fitness, public gym, let's go. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.